In all your darkest hours, have you ever heard me sing?
What song would you want to do?
Let's see. Got a nice fire.
Yeah, it sure is. It's cozy in here.
Yeah. It's gonna be really cold tomorrow, like 32 below.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah. So, okay. Baby, we can talk all night,
But that ain't getting us nowhere.
the snow is really piling up outside.
I wish you wouldn't make me leave here.
I poured it on and I poured it out.
I tried to show you just how much I care.
I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout.
But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears.
And all I can do
Is keep on telling you I want you.
I need you.
But there ain't no way I'm ever gonna love you now.
Don't be sad.
2 out of 3 ain't bad. Hey everybody! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and today, okay, I forgot to announce you.
Oh, you can still do it.
My name is Natasha, and this right here is Not a BOOZHOO. So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO.
Hey, thank you very much.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day
Is ISHKODE. Hey, that rhymes. Our Ojibwe word of the day is ISHKODE. Fire. And, we got a nice fire going right here.
Oh yeah, I know. It's really cozy in here.
Uh-huh. And, so yeah, ISHKODE. Fire. But if you want to make a fire, like I did right here, you say, ISHKODEKE. Make a fire. And then, if something's on fire, you know what you say then?
I think you say ISHKODEWAN, like it's on fire.
Yeah. So there you go. This has been your Ojibwe word of the day. All right. You got anything else you want to add?
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, well thanks for watching
BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language,
And culture. I am not a BOOZHOO.
and I am Natasha, and I will see you again.
Ego Wubba Min.
Mitawa!
Hoa.
We're getting really good at that.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, did you know there's a camera back there?
Back where?
Right there.
Oh, for crying out loud.